Benvenuto! Welcome to Cherry Hill Home Cooking. My name is Mark. Today we're going to make a strawberry lemon truffle. I thought we'd make something cool and refreshing where today was nice and warm up in our area. It's only going to get hotter over the next few weeks. This is a great cookout recipe. It's quick and easy, but as we've got everything laid out here, it looks like there's a lot of ingredients. There really isn't. So I'll tell a little story about this recipe. I've basically kind of followed a recipe that I found online a long time ago, except I've changed the whole thing. I've added a few things and I've doubled it. Because the original recipe was half of all the ingredients. Now, if you want to make a smaller truffle or trifle, however you want to say it, just cut the all the ingredients in half. And of course, Wade will have those all on somewhere in the page, right? In the description. So that's down below, right? All right, so one of the first things I changed is, now this is a little bit bigger of a angel food cake than we're gonna need. The original recipe called for, I believe it's a 12-ounce angel cake. This is maybe 14. But I like pound cake in my truffle as well. So I thought, well, why can't we have both? So that's one of the reasons why I doubled the recipe. So I've got a store-bought angel food cake and Entenmann's or store-bought pound cake. Of course, we're gonna slice those up and everything, but that's gonna take me a while, so I thought we'd do this part first. Of course, it's strawberries, so we need some strawberries. I've got my strawberries, excuse me, I've got my strawberries just rinsing off in some water here. And today I had these at the supermarket. They will buy one, get one free. So you're gonna need probably a total of 5 cups. I would say there, so about, or 2 containers. Of course, if you're gonna do if you're gonna cut this recipe in half, you only need 1. Now, the other interesting thing about this recipe is everything was all fat-free products. It was fat-free yogurt, fat-free milk, and fat-free cream cheese, okay, so which is what we're gonna need. So I've got, now I haven't used the fat-free one. I did the 1/3 less fat cream cheese, all right? I did, and you want some vanilla yogurt. I've got the 0% fat yogurt, and I'm using 1% milk. All right, and then you need a little bit of juice. Now you can use any juice you want. You can use apple juice, lemon juice. I think the original recipe called for either lemon juice or there was some zested lemon in it. I don't like to zest lemon, so I'm not going to do it. But anyway, I'm going to use apple juice, but you can use any juice. White grape juice. You want a lighter colored juice so it doesn't make because we're going to make a little puree with that and drizzle it around it. And I'll show that to you in a bit. You're going to need at least a 4 cup or 4 quart I need a new truffle bowl. This one was just a plastic one, and I can't remember what it is, but we'll put it in the description. And then you can either do some fresh whipped cream, some Cool Whip, or the squirt for a little decoration on top. And of course, this is a lemon strawberry truffle. So we need, for the double recipe, we need 2 3.4-ounce boxes of instant Jello pudding, or whatever brand you prefer. All right, believe it or not, I think that's all the ingredients. So I'm going to get everything out because this recipe goes by so fast. Before you know it, it's going to be in the refrigerator chilling. See you in a bit. All right, guys, we've got everything almost all prepared. Just show you this, for demonstration purposes. So what I did is I cut up our angel food cake, and then you want to cut that into about 1-inch cubes. Doesn't have to be measured exactly. All right, and then I've got a slice of our pound cake. Oh, that one cut itself. All right, I got them all in here, and I kind of mixed them a little bit together so they were a little, not all. When we go to layer it, won't be all in one layer. All right, and Wade expertly cut our strawberries. I'm so impressed with what a good job he did. Thank you, Wade. So of course I rinsed off my strawberries. I drained them, dried them a little bit. We got our milk. And so the first step we want to do is in the blender for the double recipe, I've got about a cup of our strawberries. And I've got 2 tablespoons of our juice. And we'll give them a nice puree. Now, I could have done this on the little chopper, which works real well for this, but now I can't get the top closed. But I like this because you can pour it. It's got a little spout on the end. So we're going to puree that. I don't know what puree. That's a bowl, and we're going to drizzle. You'll see how we're going to drizzle that over as we go. All right, so we actually can get rid of that. All right, and now in my mixer with the beater attachment, I've got our cream cheese, our yogurt, and our instant lemon pudding. So let's give that a good little mixing. Get it all incorporated. Oh, it smells delicious already. So I just wanted to get all the powder out. We're going to give that a good, we want that mixed up, nicely. Should be as smooth as possible. It'll smooth more as we add some milk to it. But of course, you want to try to get your, if you remember, take the cream cheese out and let it come to room temperature. Mine wasn't at full room temperature, which today is kind of warm. Well, we have central air, but it's warm because of the lights and stuff, but it is warm out today. So see, we're slaving away in heat to bring this video to you guys. All right, so that's good. So you see everything looks, really nice combined. It's thick. And, we don't have any big chunks or anything in it. It smells delicious. All right, and let's start to add our milk in a little bit at a time. We'll start with about a cup. And of course you want to start that slowly. There we go, it's mixing up nice. Just a little. And we'll put another cup in. And start it slow. Ooh. Rough seas. That would have been awesome. Just slide it all over the kitchen. And the reason I do, of course, it would be a real mess if we did the whole 2 cups at once. It's going to take a total of just about 4 cups, but I'm going to do, I don't know if, I guess it can depend upon how creamy you want it. I'm going to do 1 and a 1/4 next and see where that brings us. This is going to firm up a little bit as we, let me go get a scraper. I'll be right back. It will firm up as it chills, but I think we're going to need about that other. Let's start with that. What can we talk about interesting that is going on? Let's see. Not that any of you would notice, but if Wade wants, he can point the camera out to the backyard. We put a new fence in around the pool, which hopefully the pool is going to have a total refurbishment this year. So it's not open, but hopefully it will be in the next couple weeks. We'll have Wade show that to you. We had a nice day with Wade's brother and her wife, so our in-laws, my brother and sister-in-law. We had a nice day with them yesterday. Shout out to Mike and Leanne. Now I'll know whether you watched the video or not, Leanne or Mike. But we had a nice day with them yesterday. Let's see what we made. We made roast beef sliders, and I made potato salad and my pea salad.
Cranberry orange meatballs.
Oh yes, yep. They're all on there. The cranberry orange meatballs on the website. My potato salad is on the website or on YouTube. So is my green sweet pea salad is on there as well. All right, I think that's thin enough. All right, so I use well, you know what? I'm going to put in the rest of the 1 1/3. So the recipe would call for the 4 cups of milk. We're going to go just a little shy under that. So the rest of it is really easy. All right, we got our truffle bowl. Just to kind of make it look pretty, we'll put a few strawberries around the side, here or there. All right, and then we're gonna put down a nice layer of our angel food and pound cake. Alright, before I continue with that, let me stop this. Unplug it so we don't get our fingers caught in there. Oh, I didn't, you know what, I didn't scrape down the bottom, did I? We'll do that now just to make sure our cream cheese didn't get stuck. Nope. So, you know, you want the consistency of pudding. We did get a little cream cheese stuck down there. I'm glad I checked. And it really will come down to how thick you want it to be. Like I said, this is going to firm up in the, let that go for another minute. This will firm up because we got to chill it. Of course, I unplugged it off. I've done that before. I've unplugged it and then thought I had it shut off and it wasn't. So yeah, we want to let it chill for at least 2 hours. The longer you let it chill, the better. You can let it go overnight. All right, that's gonna do. All righty. Now, remember guys, if you've got your glass bowl, don't ever tap your beater off on it, or you're gonna have a glass bowl, a broken glass bowl. All right, so we're going to take our strawberry puree. It smells good. And we're just going to drizzle here or there. We're going to do this with each layer, so we don't want to use it all on the first. All right. Then we're going to take our beautiful vanilla pudding and lemon. Where's my ladle? All right, and well, we're gonna ladle this over. We've made it English truffle. This is kind of more of a American version of a truffle, right?
You say so?
Yeah. English one always has whiskey in it or something, and you could put some whiskey or something if you wanted in this. All right, then we'll do a nice layer of strawberries. What are you doing over there? So now the reason you want to put your bread or your angel food cake and your pound cake first, and then it's because you want that to, of course, soak into the cake. If you had put your strawberries in first, as the layer. They're not going to come in. We'll do one more so you get the gist of it. I keep losing that. That's why I got to throw it over there. All right. So, do a nice layer. Oh, and we should get at least, I'm going to do at least 3 layers here. That should be just about right. All right, we should have just about enough to do the top. We're going to drizzle our strawberry puree. Make sure we have some for the top. And then we can go in and we can do a really good layer. I'm going to try to get it to drip down the sides a bit. All right, guys. Well, oh, no, we still got to do the strawberries. So we'll do the strawberries. Here, let's put a little more over here. Oh. Do a nice layer of imagine how delicious this is going to be, huh? Mm. Oh, you left a green one in there. I have to find some fault, right? All right, I'm going to finish up the top layer, and I'll show it to you. We'll come back for a quick second, and we'll finish it up. All right, guys, so your finished layered truffle should look something like that. All right, we saved some strawberries, like I said, to garnish it. I'm going to put some saran wrap on it, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Like I said, for a minimum of 2 hours. Even longer is better. So we'll see you for dessert. Well, it's not quite dessert time. The time we got everything wrapped up yesterday, we had been eating and eating, whether it had been leftovers from or candy that we bought at the cute little specialty candy shop when we were out and about on Friday. So anyway, it's the next day, and it's about 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock. Excuse me. So instead of dessert, we got a treat. Right. All right. So this is our strawberry lemon truffle
or trifle.
But I don't know. So this is at just about 24 hours in the refrigerator. I can't seem to get a. All right.
That is delicious. That's a lemony.
Cool and refreshing.
Nice and light, actually.
Yep, tastes like summer. Sitting out in although it's raining here today, so we wouldn't be outside. But would have been nice if we could have shot outside. But anyway, delicious. I hope you guys all try it.
Chocolate strawberry.
And let us know if you do, if you like it.
Please remember to like and subscribe. Check out cherryhillhomecooking.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Ciao.
Bye. Good.
Isn't that yummy?